If you have some leftover fries in your fridge and you don't know what to make with the fries, try out this easy, very delicious saucy chips masala, which needs very few ingredients, and the outcome is going to be absolutely delicious as always. So this is how I make my masala fries, and because I've already prepped up everything, that is some onions and coriander to garnish my masala, it's going to be a very easy recipe. So you're going to move over to your stove top and place a pan over medium-high flame and add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add in 2 medium onions. Use a spatula and stir in your onions. Then next I'm going to be adding in some coriander stems. If you usually throw away your coriander stems, next time don't throw away, because coriander stems have lots of flavor. So simply chop in your coriander stems into your onions when frying, and it will add in lots of flavor. So you're going to saute your onions until they have a very nice golden brown color. Once your onions are brown, you're going to be adding in some ketchup and garam masala. So I have half a cup of ketchup, garam masala, add in a splash of water. Stir in your ketchup and garam masala. Then next you're going to add in a splash of water and stir everything together, and the sauce is going to be looking very delicious and super thick, just like this. So you're going to cook for around 30 seconds. Then next you're going to be transferring in your leftover fries or chips. So I have mine over here. This is a plate of leftover chips, and this is how I usually make my chips masala. Stir in the fries into the delicious sauce that we have created, and then next you're going to leave the fries to cook for around 30 seconds. Sprinkle in with some extra salt, just a little bit of salt, because ketchup has salt. Wow, this is going to be very delicious. I'm going to check if everything is perfect. Yes, it's very perfect. So after 30 seconds, I'm going to garnish with some coriander, and then I'm going to serve. I'm always excited when it comes to easy recipes, just like this one. Toss the fries together with the coriander. Just look at my fries. So this is a very nice way that you can revamp some leftover fries and make yourself some delicious chips masala, which is going to take you around 3 minutes to prepare, because as you have seen, we have not used a lot of ingredients, but the outcome is just delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and I have a few more chips masala recipes you can check up here or in the description box for the full